Hi everyone, it is Jan here from answerr. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. I will be doing a little test swipe today with where my swipe paint will be AMsterdam Oxide Black mixed with Malverk Pouring Medium, which is the German equivalent to the European Floetrol Overtrol. And then I have added also golden GAG 800. I'm just going to throw on some random colors, leftover colors that I have here. I can quickly run through them. This one is a Pepeo Studio fluorescent yellow. This one should be Golden Fluids Paints Gray. Then I have a little TLP, the Brulee. Then I have another TLP, Athena. I have Porridge Posse Paint, Barn Red Shimmer. I have Golden Heavy Body Quinacridone Nickel Gold. And this is an Amsterdam, I'm pretty sure, orange. I'm not sure what orange it is, but that's the colors that I'll be using. I'll be using a black base coat, and I'll just get down on the canvas and get started. Hope you enjoy.
Let your body take control. You're on my mind, baby. Just move a little closer. And I say, oh, it's a night we'll both remember.